Hello guys, it's Alexander the phone collector, and this is another. These are two phones that I bought for $100 again. All right, so remember last time my ZTE Zinger that I had, right? Unfortunately the audio did not work, so I destroyed it. So I bought another ZTE Zinger on AT&T, so it'll be coming soon. So stay tuned for the unboxing. But this is a two. These are two phones that I got for $100. I got a lot of phones for $100, so they'll be coming soon. Here they are. I'm gonna throw this away. Hold on. Hello, guys. Alright. If you can see my face, I just slid it. Don't worry, I got a trash can at the bottom, so yeah. Here's the Alcatel Go Flip on Boost Mobile. And now onto this next one. And here it is. This is the Miami Burnerphone. It is actually on Boost Mobile. I didn't even expect it, but yeah, it's pretty rare. And here's what it looks like. Oh yeah, I also saw Die University have this phone, so I'll send you the video if you want me. So just search up Miami Burnerphone B050L. It has no battery. Might be untested, but... And yeah. Don't mind the background noise. There's me. Let me put these scissors away. Oh, I'll pick that up. Hold on. I'm gonna be giving these crayons away to my little uncle. Here's what it looks like. Is this on the setup screen? Wait, hold on. The seller said it had bright spots. Hold on. Did they meant the front screen or the... I don't see bright spots. Maybe on the front screen. Next. Skip. Accept. And there you go. Got a brand new fresh smart flip Alcatel Go Flip on Boost Mobile. Oh, that's... Oh, the front screen is broken. Yeah, the front screen is broken, but the inner screen works. This one works, but except the problem is, this is the problem. The front screen is cracked. It's broken. Maybe that's what they were talking about. Well, this is probably still a functional working phone, but this one, I don't know. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go see if the Vortex B8 battery will work. But yeah, this one looks pretty nice, and it looks rare, but I'll send you a video of Die University. If you want to subscribe to Die University, I'll mention his name on the title. Or, no, in the pinned comment. And I'll send you the link to the video of this phone. So he has a video of this phone where he did a review of it. And he said it had like a 13 million battery. Hopefully it's the same as the Vortex B8. I'll be right back. I'm going to wipe them down and I'm going to get the battery for this one. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back, and yeah, I got the battery for the Vortex B8, and I decided to try if it fits, and it does. So I'll show you this one actually works. Trust me, I don't know, the startup sound is crazy on this one. This is the startup sound. This one I turned off. That's what it sounds like. Looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. And yeah, here's what it looks, and here are the two phones. They both work perfectly, and let's go ahead and try out the camera. Let's see how good the quality is. And let's see. Seems a little blurry, but that's weird. Not sure, but and yeah, that's a pretty quick review. And yeah, this is just a quick review on both of them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. These both work perfectly, but the problem with this one is that the front screen is broken. Yeah, it's okay. The inner screen works perfectly besides the front screen. But yeah, this one I thought the Vortex BA battery wasn't gonna fit, but it does. And yeah, this one pretty much works perfectly. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my daily videos. And yeah, in a few days, I also bought a few more phones on eBay, so probably by Monday or Tuesday, I'll be showing you. I'll be unboxing those phones. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, hope yeah, just all right, sorry. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And see you in the next one. Peace. And I hope you enjoyed it.